Welcome back to another episode of Fox40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we're doing another tailgate special. We're doing our cheeseburger hamburger dip. Let's get started. Here I'm making my base, which is my cheese sauce. I have a can of the cream of chicken, half a cup of sour cream, and I got a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And here I'm just getting it nice and warm. Gonna get this stirred all up to make my cheese easier to melt. So as I got that melting here, I go add some cheese of your choice. You could do a sharp cheddar cheese, you could do an easy melt cheese, or you could do a queso cheese. I really like the easy melt cheese. I remember we're doing this under 30 minutes, and another real quick item to take to your tailgate. Took me about 5 to 6 minutes to get that warm on a high heat. Make sure you continue to stir so your pan won't stick at the bottom, your cheese and your milks. So I'm gonna add small pieces of my cheese here so it'll melt quicker and easier. I'm gonna keep stirring that to let that go ahead and melt as well. And next I'm gonna add my cream cheese. And let's talk about the meats for this. 2 ways to make it. I make it with the pork breakfast sausage, 1 hot, 1 spicy, pound each. Or you can use your regular ground beef, your diced rotels, and chilies on that. So already pre-cooked up my breakfast sausage here, and just all we have to do is add it. We're gonna top this off with some shredded cheese, and we'll be all set to go. I just wanna garnish my dish with a little sharp shredded cheese. That's completed. We're gonna pair with our favorite chips, my restaurant style tortilla scoops. And there you have it, your tailgate dish ready to take to the tailgate. Enjoy. You can find this recipe and a full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.